Hey guys, it's good to see you again. If you haven't been here, I'm Lolo, your mixologist for today. Special night needs a special drink. Today we're going to be making a Sexytini. This martini is a fruity, strong martini with a bubbly kick at the end. It's nice to garnish it with a flower or fruit, however you like. For this recipe, you will need strawberry vodka, pineapple juice, cranberry juice, orange juice, champagne, and whatever you want to garnish with. Are y'all ready to crack on? We're gonna crack on and get started with this Sexytini. Yeah, baby, yeah. Am I making you feel sexy?
My name is Austin Danger.
This is a mixing drink, so we're gonna start with our tin. Boom. 2 ounces of strawberry vodka. With our 3 juices, these are going to be equivalent to 2 ounces, so we've got it already pre-made in our 2-ounce cup. If you're gonna be making a batch of this, which I do highly suggest you do, then the juices are gonna be poured in equal parts. So because we're making 1 drink, they're gonna be equivalent to a 2-ounce pour. So all 3 of these into a 2-ounce, but for batches, it's gonna be equal parts. So we've already got our 2 ounces of our juices. So we're gonna go ahead and pour those in our mixing tin. And then we're gonna grab our ice and shake it up. All right, so before we pour this in there, we're gonna go ahead and pour our champagne in the glass, and that's gonna be 1 ounce pour of champagne. You don't shake champagne because it's bubbly and it'll just explode all over the place. So 1 ounce of champagne straight into the glass. Then go ahead and pour your mixture on top. It should make it a nice pink color. And there you've got your Sexytini, your sexy martini for your special day, and we're just gonna throw a little cherry on top for the garnish. And voila! Thank you guys for your support and showing us some love. I really hope you have a great day and you enjoy your special drink for your special day. And we hope to see you next time on Cooking with Friends. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and ring the bell. Get notifications every time we post a video. Stay tuned for more delicious drinks on Cooking with Friends. We'll see ya. That's a wrap.